Welcome to my very first video on this channel. I'm really excited that you're here. If you love creative PowerPoint tricks and smooth presentation effects, you're in the right place. Since many of you asked for a slower and more detailed version of the reel I posted before, here it is. This time, we'll go deeper step by step so you can easily follow along. In this tutorial, we'll create slides that literally float in the air, and you'll be able to move between them smoothly using PowerPoint's Zoom feature. Cool, right? I've already prepared a few example slides that you can start with. And don't worry, you'll find all the resources and templates linked below in the description. All right, let's dive in and start building your floating presentation step by step. And just like that, you have your own floating presentation. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.